Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start our chapter number 10, Time. We will learn lesson number 1 of this chapter, Telling Time. Dear students, which device we use to tell the time? Yes, a clock helps us to tell the time. As you can see, it has a minute hand. The longer hand is the minute hand. It shows us the minutes. That is blue. And it has an hour hand. The shorter hand is the hour hand. It shows us the hour. That is red. Dear students, when the minute hand is pointing to 12, we read the time as o'clock. As if our hand is on 10 and minute hand is pointing to 12, so we will read the time as 10 o'clock. Stand for of the clock. O'clock means of the clock. This clock above shows the minute hand at 12 and the hour hand at 10. We say that the time is 10 o'clock. And if the minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on any number, like if the hour hand is on 3 and minute hand is on 12, then we will read as 3 o'clock. And the minute hand is pointing to 6, we read the time as half past. As you can see, our hand is between 10 and 11 and minute hand is on 6. We will read it as half past 10. Dear students, we can also read the time by dividing clock in 4 equal parts. 12 mean o'clock. And when minute hand is on 3, we will read it as quarter past. And the minute hand on 6 will be read as half past. And when minute hand pointing on 9, then we will read it as quarter to. These students, before clocks were invented, sundials were used to tell time. You can tell the time on a sundial by looking at the position of its shadow. Basically, the earliest type of time keeping device which indicates the time of day by the position of the shadow of some object exposed to the sun rays. Dear students, a very useful video clip will be shared in this video for your learning. What were sundials and how they worked? So we have learned minute hand on 12 we will called o'clock. When minute hand on 3 we will read it as quarter past. So on this clock, when the time hand is pointing at 3, we read the time as quarter past. So the time is quarter past 10. When the minute hand is pointing at 9, we read the time as quarter to. The time is quarter to 11. On next page, Match the time to the correct clock. One has been done for you. As you can see, 8 o'clock has been done for you. The remaining parts also solved on this page. You have to try by yourself and then match your answers with these given answers. Why do we need clocks? Why is it important to know the time? Think about it. On page number 136, dear students, we will write the correct time. As you can see, minute hand on 12 and our hand is on 7, so it is 7 o'clock. Our hand is closer to 2 and minute hand is pointing to 3, so it is 2:15. Dear students, solve these all parts by yourself and then match your answers with these given answers. Good luck.